great thing about the all-wheel cleaner, it works on all wheels. It is a non-acid formula. You're not going to run into damaging your wheels or the amount of time that it's left on. The great part is it's a color-changing formula, so it's going to let you know when it's doing its job. And the ability to remove brake dust and go in and remove iron particles that are on your rims. Packaging was interesting because first time we met, Cartoon came to Chicago and came to our office. And towards the end of the day, he sat down and he just took out his pad and he started drawing. We moved away from just completely traditional looking tire products. Usually a nice shiny tire or a nice shiny rim on a bottle. And we kind of focused more on the different variations of wheels that we could put on there, not just one, but maybe 2 or 3. It was not a one-step process. There was probably 50 versions of it. Obviously, with its iron removing features, you can use this on your paint. So it's great to be able to use that on some exterior surfaces to remove iron particles.